Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious raw spinach salad. First, let's get our main ingredient ready. Gather about 5 to 6 ounces of fresh spinach. It's crucial to wash it thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or grit. Then, dry the spinach completely using a salad spinner or by gently patting it with paper towels. This ensures your salad won't be watery and the dressing will adhere perfectly. Now that your spinach is prepped, let's think about what else to include. You can choose complementary vegetables like vibrant cherry tomatoes, crisp sliced cucumbers, or colorful bell peppers. For a heartier meal, consider adding protein such as tender grilled chicken, perfectly hard-boiled eggs, or wholesome chickpeas. Remember to wash, chop, or slice all your chosen ingredients into convenient, bite-sized pieces for easy enjoyment. A great salad needs a fantastic dressing, and a simple vinaigrette is perfect. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of good quality olive oil with 1 tablespoon of your favorite vinegar, perhaps balsamic or apple cider. Then, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a pinch of salt, and a dash of freshly ground black pepper for that extra zing. Taste and adjust to your liking. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your perfectly dried spinach with all your beautifully prepared salad additions. Now, drizzle your homemade vinaigrette over the salad, starting with about half of the dressing. Gently toss everything until all the ingredients are evenly coated. Serve your fresh, vibrant raw spinach salad immediately and enjoy your healthy, delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.